In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the video resolution in Google Meet. Whether you're looking to improve the video quality for a clearer image or reduce it to save on bandwidth, knowing how to adjust the resolution settings can be incredibly useful. We'll go through a simple step-by-step process to ensure you can do this effortlessly. First, you'll need to start by opening Google Meet and joining a meeting. Once you're in the meeting, take a moment to locate the three vertical dots. You'll find these dots situated in the bottom right corner of the meeting screen. These dots serve as a menu for additional options, offering you the flexibility to adapt Google Meet settings to your preferences. Now, click on these three dots. Doing so opens a menu with several options. It's a handy feature that allows quick access to various settings. From this menu, look for an option called Settings, and click on it. This step will open a new window or panel on your screen, where you can tweak the various features related to your Google Meet session. Within this settings window, you'll notice a sidebar on the left. On this sidebar, you'll see several options. Here, your focus should be on finding and clicking the video option. By selecting this, you'll be navigated to an area where you can adjust the visual quality of your video during the meeting. Once in the video settings section, you'll encounter a couple of opportunities to customize your video experience. One of these is the option to change the video resolution. Video resolution impacts the clarity of the image that both you and other participants see, so it's valuable to shift these settings according to your current needs. Now, look for the drop-down menus that allow you to adjust the resolution for both send resolution and receive resolution. The send resolution setting controls the quality of the video you send out to others, while the receive resolution affects the visual quality of incoming video streams from other participants. If you're on a slower internet connection, lowering these settings could help keep the video stable. On the flip side, if you have a stable internet connection, setting these to maximum can improve video clarity for a sharper display. After you've made your choices regarding the resolution, exit the settings menu to return to your meeting. By following these steps, you've successfully changed the video resolution in Google Meet, tailoring the experience to fit your requirements precisely. Now, you should notice a difference in the video quality as per the adjustments you've made, leading to a more personalized and pleasant Google Meet session. That's all there is to it. Adjusting the video resolution is really that simple, but it makes a significant difference in enhancing your virtual meetings. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Take care and happy meeting!